Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are premium paddles designed to provide elite performance, featuring two models, the Halo Pro and Halo Control. Both paddles are built with a carbon fiber surface for enhanced durability, strength, and superior spin potential. The RevCore Power polymer core in each paddle maximizes power, consistency, and control, providing players with excellent responsiveness and energy return during fast-paced play. The Halo Pro model is specifically designed for players seeking maximum power and spin. Its carbon fiber face allows for explosive ball speed and spin generation, while the polymer core ensures a solid feel with every shot. It is ideal for those who play an aggressive game, utilizing both hard smashes and spin-heavy ground strokes. On the other hand, the Halo Control model is optimized for precision and control. It offers a slightly softer feel, making it better suited for players who prefer more finesse and strategic placement. Its design provides optimal touch and control, making it easier to execute controlled shots and defensive plays. Both paddles feature a lightweight design, allowing for quick maneuverability, which is essential for rapid reactions at the net and during fast exchanges. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and improving overall playability during long matches. Overall, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed for players of all skill levels who want to improve their game with a high-quality, versatile paddle that offers both power and control. The combination of a carbon fiber surface, polymer core, and lightweight construction ensures that these paddles deliver top-tier performance, helping players generate spin, maintain consistency, and increase their precision on the court. Number 2. The Pickleball Paddle Set with USAPA approval is designed for players of all levels, offering a high-quality and durable option for both men and women. The set includes fiberglass surface paddles, which provide an excellent combination of control, power, and spin, making them ideal for recreational and competitive play. The fiberglass face offers enhanced durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, allowing for quick reactions and comfortable handling during fast exchanges. Each paddle in the set is designed to maximize ball control and precision, helping players improve their gameplay with a consistent touch and feel. The paddles feature a well-balanced construction with an ergonomic grip that ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The USAPA approval means the paddles meet the official standards required for sanctioned tournament play, making this set a reliable choice for serious players. In addition to the paddles, the set comes with pickleball rackets designed for versatility and durability. Whether you're playing casual games or competitive matches, these paddles help ensure optimal performance, thanks to their fiberglass surface, which adds extra power and spin without sacrificing control. The set includes multiple paddles, allowing for convenient play with family and friends. This pickleball paddle set is a great option for those looking for an affordable yet high-quality solution for recreational or competitive play. It is suitable for both beginners and more experienced players, offering everything you need to play the game effectively and enjoyably. Whether you're playing on outdoor or indoor courts, this USAPA-approved set helps players achieve better consistency, power, and control on the court. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent package designed for players of all skill levels, offering everything needed to enjoy the game. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it a great choice for both beginners and more experienced players looking to upgrade their gear. The SLK Latitude paddles feature a G4 graphite face paired with polymer RevCore technology, which provides an ideal combination of power, control, and spin. The G4 graphite face ensures excellent durability and a responsive feel, while the polymer RevCore delivers consistent performance by enhancing ball control and minimizing vibrations. This design maximizes comfort, enabling players to execute precise shots with more power and accuracy. Each paddle is designed for lightweight performance, making them easy to handle for extended periods of play, reducing hand fatigue. The ergonomic handle further adds to comfort, providing a secure and relaxed grip during long matches. These paddles are designed to support both aggressive play styles with power-driven shots and more controlled, tactical gameplay with touch and finesse. The bundle also includes 3 high-quality pickleballs, perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, and a stylish carrying bag for easy transportation and storage of your equipment. Whether you're practicing, playing with friends, or competing in matches, this complete set ensures you have everything you need for an enjoyable pickleball experience. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers excellent value with its durable, high-performance paddles, reliable pickleballs, and practical bag. It's an ideal choice for players looking for a well-rounded and dependable set that enhances their pickleball skills on the court. Number 4. The Onx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle combines advanced materials and thoughtful design to provide players with an exceptional blend of power, control, and comfort. Constructed with a graphite surface and carbon fiber face, this paddle offers superior durability and a responsive feel on every shot. The graphite ensures excellent ball control, while the carbon fiber enhances the paddle's overall strength and power, allowing players to generate more speed and spin without compromising precision. One of the standout features of the Onx Graphite Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which ensures a secure, comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during long play sessions. The ergonomic grip provides a soft yet firm feel, enhancing control and improving overall handling. This is particularly beneficial for players who spend extended hours on the court and seek a more relaxed, natural grip that doesn't cause discomfort. The Mod Z5 paddle is designed for all-around performance, offering a balance of power for aggressive shots and the control necessary for finesse and precision. The paddle's design allows players to execute quick reflex shots, deep drives, and soft touch shots with ease. The wide body shape increases the sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits, which is ideal for both beginners and intermediate players. Whether you're playing recreationally or competing in tournaments, the Onx Graphite Mod Z5 provides excellent versatility and performance. Its combination of graphite construction, carbon fiber face, and comfortable grip makes it a reliable choice for players seeking enhanced spin, power, and overall gameplay consistency. Number 5. The Jola Essentials Pickleball Paddles are an excellent choice for players looking for a high-quality, durable, and affordable paddle for both recreational and competitive play. These paddles are constructed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides a solid balance of power and control. The fiberglass material ensures excellent durability, while also helping players generate more spin and speed on their shots. The honeycomb polypropylene core is designed to enhance ball control and power while maintaining a lightweight feel. This core construction provides a stable and responsive hitting surface that helps players achieve both aggressive and controlled shots. The honeycomb design also reduces vibrations, ensuring a more comfortable playing experience, even during extended matches. The Jola Essentials paddles are built for versatility, offering a great combination of power and touch. The lightweight design makes them easy to maneuver, allowing players to react quickly at the net or execute precise baseline shots. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged play sessions, and providing players with a secure hold for better control and accuracy. Designed for both beginner and intermediate players, the Jola Essentials pickleball paddles offer great performance at a reasonable price point. Their construction and design make them ideal for those looking to improve their skills, offering an excellent mix of performance and value. Whether for casual games or more competitive play, these paddles provide an ideal balance of spin, power, and control, making them a reliable choice for pickleball enthusiasts.